Okay, so this is Consuelo, Sergio's lovely wife, who's been taking care of him. Have you noticed any changes?
Yeah, he started moving his left hand. When he
Okay.
comes, he puts his hand up.
Oh,
Um,
the left hand or the right?
the left hand.
Oh, nice. Okay, so we're getting some movement. Anything
And
else?
his eyes he start moving that way now because
Oh, they
before it
never
was,
moved off to the
no,
other side.
it was the right side only.
Ooh, that's exciting.
Yes.
We're getting some movement. You guys have a beautiful park
Oh, yeah.
next door
Yes.
too. That's our next assignment.
Uh-huh.
The weather's so good, we got to get them out there.
That's right, yes.
Getting some movement. Okay, so it's ajustamiento número 6 para Sergio. And necesito quitando la presión cordón de espina, la primera y segundo huesos. Estimular los nervios para el cuerpo, para que el cerebro pueda sanar el cuerpo. Los ojos abra grande.
Grandes ojos, sí.
Okay. Este nervio, este lado, controla el lado derecho. El cerebro izquierdo controla el cuerpo derecho. Haz los ojos. Nice. Let's estimular los nervios en el brazo. So that we can find that ball. And estimular los nervios en el brazo. And dedos. Oh wait, yeah, dedos. Right.
Los
Okay.
dedos, yeah.
Alright. Perfect, señor.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Y es todo por hoy, ¿ok?